What's up, guys? Welcome to Heroic HRIS. We're here to save the day and help you with all your most confounding Workday problems.
Today, we are going to create a wage theft prevention notice document. Additionally, we'll also add calculated fields to the document. Then, we're going to add the wage theft prevention notice document to the business processes. We'll also create condition rules on these business processes. Finally, we're going to test the wage theft prevention notice document. First, you're going to go to the search bar and type View Drive. On the left-hand side, you're going to click New, go to Document Template, type in the name that you want to use, then click Create. In the source, you're going to scroll down to find wage theft prevention notice. In the category, you're going to scroll down to Drive Document Template, then click Create. I'm using California's wage theft. On the right-hand side, click Insert, then click Create New. In the field name, type in CF LRV, and this will be for the employee's legal full name. For the business object, we're going to use wage theft. For the function, we're going to use lookup related value. Click OK. In the lookup field, type worker, hit enter. For the return value, we're going to use full legal name. Click OK. We're going to copy the name of the calculated field we just created. On the search bar, we're going to paste it and hit the plus sign, and that's going to add the field to the document. Now we're going to create another calculated field, and this is going to be for the hire date. In the field name, we're going to swap out full name for start date. And in the return value, we're going to type hire date. Click OK. Copy the name. And we're going to paste that into the document. What I'm highlighting right now, this is information that's specific to your employer. So you just want to fill this out. Right now, we're going to create a calculated field, and this is going to be for the hourly rate since I am using California. For the business object, we're going to use worker business process now. And for the function, we're going to use arithmetic calculation. Click OK. For the field type, we're going to use currency. For the currency code field, we're going to use hourly rate proposed currency. In the field, we're going to use base pay proposed. In the operator, we're going to choose divide. Then we're going to add a row. In this row, we're going to use 2080. Then we're going to click OK. We're going to copy the name of this calculated field, and we're going to paste this into the document for the rate of pay. Hit the plus sign. Now we're going to have to create another calculated field for overtime rate of pay. For the field name, we're going to use overtime rate, and we're still going to be using the record business process as the business object. For the function, we're going to use arithmetic calculation again. Then we're going to click OK. For the field type, choose currency. For the currency code field, we're going to use hourly rate proposed currency. In that field, we're going to insert the calculated field that we just created for the hourly rate. In the operator, we're going to multiply. We're going to add a row. We're going to multiply by 1.5. I had to create a calculated field for the number constant that will give me 1.5. So that's what I'm doing now. For the business object, we're going to use the work and business process again. In the function, we're going to use number constant. Click OK. And then numeric constant, we're going to type 1.5. Click OK. Click OK. We're going to copy the name, and we're going to paste it into the document. In this section, you're going to put your employer representative information in here. For the signature, I just took a screenshot of our employee representative's signature and inserted it into the document. In the date field, I chose today. For the print name of employee, I'm going to add the calculated field that I created earlier for the full legal name. Now we're ready to publish. After this document has been published, we can add it to our business processes. In the search bar, you're going to type BP colon wage theft prevention notice, and you're going to choose the default definition. And the top right hand corner, you're going to click the related action, go to business process and edit definition. Click OK. And then click the plus sign to add a row. You're going to put this in the order. And the type, you're going to choose action. And specify, you're going to choose generate document. And for the group, you're going to choose whatever security group you want to generate this document. Click OK. On the left hand side, you're going to see configure generate. You're going to click that, click OK. And the default document, go down to drive document. And you're going to find the wage stuff that you just created. Click OK. Now you're going to click the related actions again. Go to business process, go to edit definition. Click OK. Now we're going to add another row. Put it in the order you want. And the type, you're going to choose review documents. You're going to scroll over to groups. And you're going to add whatever security group you want to review the document. Click OK. On the left hand side, you're going to see configure document. Click that and click OK. Document effective as of today, or whenever you want the document to be effective of. For the document, I scroll down to the generate document step, and I choose whatever step that I want linked to the generated step. Click OK. Now we're going to add the wage step to the hire business process. So I'm going to type BP colon hire. Choose the default definition. I'm going to click the related actions. Go to business process and edit definition. Click OK. I'm going to add a row, and I'm going to put it in the order I want to use. And the type, I'm going to choose action. I'm going to scroll over to specify. For this, I'm going to choose generate wage staff prevention notice. Then I'm going to click OK. Right now, I'm going to click the related actions, and I'm going to choose maintain step conditions. This is going to add a condition to the type of employee that you want to use to receive the document. For this wage staff, I'm choosing employees that live in California. In the description, I'm going to type a name that makes sense for this rule. This rule is going to be simple. I'm just going to choose the state location and just choose California. Now the condition rule has been added to the step on the business process. You can also follow the same steps and add the wage step to the change job business process, just following the same steps that we did with the hire. Now we can test the wage step. In the search bar, you're going to type in generate wage. In the request name, you're going to type in whatever you want to use. The reason, you're going to choose wage step prevention notice. And by select the worker, you could type in whatever worker that applies to the condition role that you just created for the wage staff.